सकाळच्या सकाळीं उठोन आमी च्या बाबेन पियोन भायर सोल्यां सगलें काजराची तयार करपा हे ब्रिजीचेर येवन म्हाका एकदम बरें दिसलें बिकॉज दीस ब्रिज रिमायंडेड मी ऑफ माय ओल्ड रूट टुवर्ड्स माय डांस स्टुडियो हे ब्रिजीचे होकोत बायक्स वचपाक शकताय एंड दिस ब्रिज द रोड इज डिवायडेड बाय दिस पोल कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड लेट मी नो which song should I post for this hero's entry. Meet every youth's favorite father, Father Austin. Papa and I, we were here to plan out the decorations for the rose ceremony, which will be held in Don Bosco's. Rushing through because my little Chinu Minus are waiting for me at home. Are you guys enjoying your food?
Definitely, we'll try.
Okay. You guys enjoying it?
Yes.
Ever since I landed, I was running around to complete each and every work. एक काम कबार करते हैं दूसरा उग जाता लो. So I decided to take a break from everything and everybody and visit Jacqueline's beauty parlor to get myself pampered. No other better way than to visit Jacqueline's beauty parlor to give yourself a me time. ते स्वतः चॉकलेट आणि रोपा बराबर and UK weather पासून गोंया आलो हा. Because 1 minute it is raining. In the next 5 minutes, it is bright sunny as if nothing happened at all, just like UK. And because of this change in weather, people have fallen sick. And when I landed, even I felt sick. I got a viral. So, doctor gave me 3 days of bed rest because of my weakness and everything. But I couldn't rest. I had to do a lot of tasks. I had a lot of things to complete. So, that's it. Phone वाजवता है मुगेले. गोड गोड माता जोगली माता आहे सो हांव भायर वचना शूट काडपाक कित्याक I get very scared of lighting and thundering, so I'm right now near my mother sleeping. 30 in the night and what is happening, Carrion? We were watching a video.
What? 2 times I did. One is left, one is right. First
Carrion jumped, something is climbing on me.
biting me. With all this
First I thought because I moved my leg.
Now basically my sister, we are dusting this bed. This stupid bed. We are dusting it up. Okay. Okay.